haven't seen paper yet. But I'm telling you, this kind of question sometimes, because just now they say what? I want to find the ninth term. So R is what? 8. I want to find the sixth term. R is what? 5. But this one, I want to find the coefficient of x6. What is R? Don't know. Do I know? Oh, I know. Is it the sixth term? The seventh term? Huh? Okay. Can you help me write this down? Let me help me write this down. I need to find R first. Okay. Okay, let's take a betting illegal. So just now some of you say R is 7, R is 8, R is 5. Question mark, huh? 3, 4, 6. Still left 1 or 2. 9 is stupid. There's only power 8, right? 9 means 9 plus 1, then term 10. No lah. There's only 9 term only. So I want to find what is R. So let me demonstrate how to do this kind of question. This is a different kind of question because the previous question tell you what is R, so it's easy. This one is, they don't tell you what is R, you can guess. Okay, so let's start. Now how do I do? First, you write down the formula first. Can you write down the formula? Can you write down the formula? T R plus 1. Why R plus 1? Because I don't know what is R, right? I need to find R first. So let's try. Maybe just to make sure everyone is on the same page. A is what? 3x. B. And thank you. So can you write down 8 choose R? 8 choose R. Then first term, right? 3x to the power of 8 minus R. Then minus 1 to the power of R. Okay. Now how do I find R? Then I want you to write down the step. I want you to now group all the x term together and find the power of x. Can you write this down? Okay, let me zoom it in so it's easy for you to take down. Right, so let's continue. Equal. 8 choose R. I don't know. I just copy. I don't want to touch. But this 3x can be split into two things. Right? 3 times 8 over minus R. X times 8 minus R. Do you understand what I'm doing? Like I multiply inside. Do you understand? Do I need to explain? No. The last one. Minus 1 to the power of R. Look. Are you able to identify the power of x? Is it clear? The power of x is what? 8 minus R. Is it obvious? This one got no x. This one got no x. This one got x. This one got no x. Is it clear? You don't get it. Okay, I look at 1 item, 2 item, 3 item, 4 item. Where are the x? There's only this. There's only, if you allow me to draw a box to highlight, do you see that this is the only x term? Only x term. Is there anything else? No. Now look at the question. What did the question say? They want coefficient of what? Yeah. So now, what? So now I want you to compare. Very good. Very good. The coefficient, the power of x. How do I compare the power of x? Read the question. The question 1, x power 6. So can you write down? X 8 minus R equal x power 6. What am I trying to do here? I'm trying to find the value of R. Who confused? Nobody. And Mingyuan, can you take out a highlighter and highlight the question? find the coefficient of x power 6. So the next line is what Zahira predicted. It's just 8 minus r equals 6. R equals 2. Because I don't know yet. I show you in the next example why I need to go through this painful process. Right, now that I know r is 2, what can I do? Sub r equals to 2. Now I know already. 2 plus 1 is equals to 8. Choose 2. 3x 8 minus 2 minus 1 square. And what's the answer? Yeah, I pause video here. Huh? Okay, so don't be too high. When you sub r equals to 2, you finally get the answer is still wrong. They ask for coefficient. So make sure you have one more sentence to tell them you understand the word coefficient means number in group the x together. You notice that in the second one, who was right? Is r equal to 7? Wow, all wrong eh. Oh, you said 2 Oh, okay. Two of you get correct, two of you. Two of you get correct. Wow, the skin is thick until the bullet cannot penetrate through. Now, can you look at this now? So let's try now. I want to find r, right? Xinghui, I want to find r. Can you try? Try. Oh, okay, reading. Again, Mingyuan, I want to find x to the power of 6. I very kiasi, so I will write a is x, b is 3 over x, n is 14, r is I want to find. Okay, so you define your own question. You want to find r, huh? You want to find r. I'm very slow. Might as well pause the video. Okay, let me zoom in. Now, step number 1 is to group the x together. If I use highlighter to highlight, it is pretty obvious that one is here, one is stuck here. So I use my red color pen to separate this by force. And how does it look like? So the first one I will copy down, of course. R times x power negative r. How many of you like lost? Okay, so do you? Okay, so let me show that. Can I allow me to do it the slower method? So 3 over x power r is like 3r xr. Do you agree? Then the indices rule say that if someone is in the hell, I can bring them back to heaven by adding the negative power r. So let me show you what I mean. Like a power m is equals to a negative power m. Remember this indices in chapter 1? So it looks like that, right? So it looks like that. Is it okay? Do you see the two? Tiffany, how many x term here? How many x? 2, right? Can I group them together? Indices law say am times an is am plus n, right? So how do I group them together? X 14 minus r minus r 3r. Do you follow? Who lost again? Lost. This is minus am plus an. Huh? The indices remember? Or the m plus n remember? Now who can tell me what is r? Minus 2r, but I want a value for r, right? So now I need to compare with x power 6, right? So what is the power? What is the number for r? 4. Do you get 4? Good. Huh? Okay, now I'm ready to compare. So compare 14 minus 2r equals to, Mingyan, why do I write equals to x power 6? No, because the question wants x to power. Oh, because of the question on top, right? Okay. So 14 minus 2r equals to 6. R equals to 4. Yay. Some students would like to skip this step and write this. But I prefer you write this so that it's clearer. Like draw the box. Then after that suddenly R equals to 4. Oh, okay lah, okay. Still okay. Next, I'm ready to replace back. T 4 plus 1. 14 choose 4. Okay, I'm lazy already. We continue. Right, so what I want you to do is I want you to make sure you get this answer. Practice 4A, can you look up? Practice 4A, can we go through on Monday? Monday date is 6th of May. Can you write down? Wow, you're writing down, very good. Can you also write down practice 4B, 6th of May? Can you write down, please? So after going these two questions, I take it as you are okay for this kind of question. So no textbook homework. Now, can I have your last 5 minutes attention? I go through another variation of this topic, and then we are really done for the syllabus. Okay, so maybe let's make sure everyone is feeling okay. 14 choose 4, x. 14 minus 2r, 8. Okay. Sorry. 14 minus 4, right? Then 3 over x, 4, right? Then you expand this, expand slowly. Also can you can use the last step, the one that you found. You can also use the first step. Do you understand? Yeah, you can use either step. Oh, okay. Then this is x power 10. Then this one split 3 power 4 times x power negative 4. Must split. Then you can write this times 3 power 4 is 81081. This is x power 6. Therefore, coefficient of x6 is 81081. Can I stop the video? Because 10 minus 4, what? X power 10 times x power minus 4 is power minus power. 10 minus, no. Am times an is am plus n. So take this power plus this power. But this is minus 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Right? Right. Can I have attention? Sorry.